Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death globally, with clogged arteries being a significant contributor. Lifestyle changes, including a healthy diet rich in beneficial spices, can help maintain cardiovascular health. Here are 8 powerful spices known for their potential to unclog arteries and prevent heart attacks. 1. Turmeric, active compound, curcumin. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, its active compound, can reduce inflammation in the arteries, which helps prevent plaque buildup. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve endothelial function, the thin membrane covering the inside of the heart and blood vessels, which plays a crucial role in heart health. 2. Garlic, active compound, allicin. Garlic is a culinary staple with potent medicinal properties. The compound allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped, has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and inhibit the formation of arterial plaque. Regular consumption of garlic can improve overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. 3. Ginger, active compound, gingerol. Ginger, known for its distinctive flavor and aroma, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects due to its active compound, gingerol. It can help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent blood clotting, thereby keeping the arteries clear and reducing the risk of a heart attack. Ginger also improves blood circulation, which is essential for heart health. 4. Cayenne pepper, active compound, capsaicin. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that provides its fiery heat and numerous health benefits. Capsaicin can promote vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the strain on the heart. It also helps lower cholesterol levels and prevent arterial plaque formation, making it a powerful spice for heart health. 5. Cinnamon, active compound, cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamon is a popular spice with a long history of medicinal use. Cinnamaldehyde, its active component, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can protect the heart and reduce arterial plaque buildup. Cinnamon can also help lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for managing diabetes, a risk factor for heart disease. 6. Black pepper, active compound, piperine. Black pepper, often referred to as the king of spices, contains piperine, which enhances the bioavailability of other nutrients and compounds. Piperine can improve cholesterol metabolism, reduce inflammation, and prevent oxidative stress, all of which contribute to healthier arteries. Including black pepper in your diet can amplify the benefits of other heart-healthy spices. 7. Cloves, active compound, eugenol. Cloves are aromatic flower buds used in cooking and traditional medicine. Eugenol, the primary compound in cloves, has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antiplatelet properties, which can help prevent the formation of blood clots and reduce arterial plaque buildup. Cloves also have a beneficial effect on blood lipid levels, supporting overall heart health. 8. Cardamom, active compound, cineole. Cardamom, a fragrant spice used in various cuisines, contains cineole and other compounds that promote heart health. It has been shown to reduce blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and lower cholesterol levels. Cardamom's antioxidant properties help protect the arteries from oxidative damage, keeping them clear and functional. Incorporating these 8 spices into your diet can provide a flavorful way to support heart health and prevent artery blockage. While these spices offer promising benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and consult with healthcare professionals for a comprehensive approach to heart disease prevention. By making these spices a regular part of your meals, you can enhance your cardiovascular health naturally and enjoy a heart-healthy lifestyle.